Let me tell you about this fall-inspired dish from my childhood. So tamales are something that's common in the holiday season. I've even served plenty of tamales as a special for many events, but I wanted to make a fall squash tamale. Also, I'm gonna be making these tamales while I'm talking about them. So here's my thought about using like a butternut squash as the base of the tamale dough. So my reason is, butternut squash, it's something that's very creamy and it's in the freaking name, buttery. So I thought it would be nice to add that into the masa dough because then it might make it a little creamier. And it actually is. It's really creamy. It's delicious. It lends something to the dough. It makes it more moist. So that's one, pureeing it into the dough. So what I did was I just boiled it in a pot with some water, tossed that into a blender when it's all fully cooked, and then I put some spices in. I did some guajillo, I did some chipotle, blended it up with some salt, pureed it, added that into my masa. I'm not gonna stop there. I also want to have squash in it. Like, you're still gonna get the taste of the butternut in the dough, but I want to have that texture, that charred squash. So to get that delicata squash, it's a really good squash for that. Whenever you roast it, it has like a nice texture. That plus the butternut, and then of course jalapeno, because they're tamales. Of course, add jalapeno. That got roasted off in a 500-degree oven to just get a nice char. Finished off in the broil when it's fully cooked through. And I think this made a really good filling. You could probably add some more stuff to it if you want, like maybe some beans refried. That's pretty standard. I actually added in some cheese, some queso fresco, and that worked out great. So I'm not going to just have squash in my tamales. I like to have some sort of protein. And I have all these bone-in Fred Flintstone looking short ribs. So this got put in there. And of course I could have done like a beef chuck or something, but this is just super luxurious. It's got a good amount of fat, so it's gonna be a nice fill for this tamale. So this is what I put in here as a protein, just to not have it as a full-on vegetarian dish. This is the tamale. I think it's really good. The fall squash adds, like I said, the nice buttery notes, really good contrast with the meats and all that stuff. Try it out if you wanna put some squashes into some tamales, it works.